Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can invite collaborators to your Pinterest board. So go to your profile and select the Pinterest board you want to invite people in. For instance, this aesthetic one, I'm just going to simply select this edit board here. Collaborators, it's just me, so you're just going to simply press the plus button. Here you can invite people or copy the link and share it to them. You can also adjust the permissions they can. Maybe they can only save and comment, but they can't like add, move, and stuff. Just select between these, and you can also adjust the invitations as well. Press done once you're done, and invite. That's simply it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!